Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. Today is December the 4th and the chart of the day for today is the USD Yen. So here is the chart of the 60 minutes time frame USD Yen. We could see we ended with X here 156.76, and so that means we are now within the Y leg down, but within the Y leg that's going to be a bigger larger degree Y leg, which will basically still subdivide into many different things. But for now, just forget about what this label is. Just focus on the short term, this move down. So that move down, it looks to be a clear 5 ways. We got a clear divergence over here, which is suggesting that that's your wave 5, because wave 5 in Elliott wave typically comes with a divergence, right? So then that means we should be expecting for the downside here, since it is a 5 waves. Now that 5 waves decline, though, it is mature, meaning we could soon start to see a bigger rally in 3 ways. So in the shorter cycle, we don't necessarily have to do this. I mean, I can just move around some of the labeling and call it finished very easily. Like for example, I can call it this way, and then because there's a couple of ways to be able to play it so that you can call it completed, right? Yeah, so I can put 4 here, 3 here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, I can just move around some of the position, and then suddenly it is complete, right? Suddenly it is complete if I move around something like this. So you can play around. There's no question about that. So the idea is not so much that we must have another leg down first and then going up. No, the idea is this 5 waves, the cycle looks quite mature, so we could be ending anytime, and we could be seeing a bigger rally anytime. That's the idea. Whether or not we can make another low or 2 lows or rally from it, it's not really relevant. The relevance here is that when you finally see a 3-ish rally to correct this 5 waves down, that 3-ish rally should fail because of the 5 waves down. That 3-ish rally should fail for the downside again. So overall, then we favor the downside as long as it stays below 156.77. So let's suppose that we see further rally in the next coming 24 hours. Let's say we do something like this. Now, if the rally gets bigger, then that's no longer wave 4 in blue, and then you find a way to call it completed, and then maybe that's already starting with 2. If that's the case, you just change the count, and then you are waiting for the rally like this. That the rally ABC should fail because of the 5 waves down for the downside. So that's the entire idea. Okay, now suppose we make a new low first, like what we are proposing, and then we do the rally, and same thing. The rally should fail when it happens should fail in 3 ways for another leg down, right? And it can even have 2 more lows because it's an impulse, right? 2 more lows or 3 more lows depending on how the market wants to do it. But that cycle still remains mature, and that cycle should end pretty soon and see a 3-ish rally soon. Okay, so we favor the downside here, and rally when it finally happens should fail in 3 swing or in 7 swing against 156.77 here. So that's the idea. And if you want to get more updates on USD Yen or any other Forex, commodities, indices, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is in the description of the video. We're also running Cyber Week promotion right now, so you can find all we got a pretty substantial discount, so you can check our service. It's a good time to do that. So I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.